She's trying to get down.
Kelly, get out! I'm scared. Am I there? No, don't get on that side. No. What?
Alright,
Yeah.
my turn. Here.
Hold on, my flip-flops.
Here. What if I fall?
You look like we've been in a mine hole or something.
Me trying to get there.
Hey! Get my bag, Kelly! What are you laughing for? I'm about to punch you.
Here she goes. This is gonna be a good one.
But I'm short. Shut up! Before I come down there and pummel your head.
It doesn't look that high, folks, but it is high enough, okay?
Super duper high. My foot's not even close.